A sharp lawnmower blade makes all the difference. It's not just about neat, even lawn, it's also about keeping your grass healthy and your mower running efficiently. Dull blades don't cut grass, they tear it, and that leaves behind ragged edges, a patchy look, and even increases the risk of lawn diseases. Sharpening your mower blade regularly means cleaner cuts, a stronger lawn, and even less energy or fuel used while mowing. And the best part, you can do it yourself, with the right tools and a bit of know-how. The way you sharpen a blade depends on the kind of mower you have. First, there's the manual reel mower, also called a cylindrical mower. These have a series of blades in a rotating cylinder that pass closely over a fixed blade. Precision is key here. Every blade in a reel needs to be sharpened evenly. Then there are electric and petrol-powered mowers. These usually have one horizontal blade that spins underneath the machine. You'll often find 2 or 4 cutting edges on this blade. For these, you use a sharpening stone or an electric sharpener. No matter the method, the basic steps are usually the same. You're reshaping the cutting edge to make it sharp and even again. Let's break it down. Always start by disconnecting the power. You can unplug the battery, or in the case of a petrol mower, pull the spark plug cable. Then you can remove the blade. Pay attention to how it's mounted so you can reattach it the right way later. For the reel mower, you can place the mower flat on the ground. You'll sharpen it without removing the blade. Next step, depending on your mower, remove the cutting edges from the blade. And before sharpening, scrub off any grass, dirt with a wire brush or cloth. A clean blade is easier to sharpen and it's better for your sharpening tools too. Use a coarse to medium sharpening stone, something around 300 to 600 grit, depending on how dull or damaged the blade is. If you see any nicks or dings, go for a coarser stone. Hold the stone at a steady angle, usually around 30 degrees, and use smooth and even strokes along the cutting edge. After that, remove the burr on the other side with a couple of light passes. If you want to get the job done faster, or if you're dealing with several or even damaged blades, an electric sharpener is a great choice as well. Here's a pro tip: use a black marker to color in the edge of the blade before you sharpen. That way you can clearly see where you've already sharpened and what still needs work. After sharpening, mount the blade back in place securely and make sure it's facing the right direction, because a backwards blade doesn't cut properly, or worse, it could hit the mower housing. Keeping your blade in good shape helps it stay sharp longer and cuts better overall. After mowing, give it a quick clean with a cloth or brush, scrape off any stuck on grass, and add a light layer of oil to prevent rust. Also check the bolts and screws now and then to make sure everything stays tight and secure. So, now you know how to sharpen your lawnmower. Want to find the best tools to sharpen your lawnmower blades? Visit nicetools.com.